Where is it?
It's not in.
Is it in the hat?
Nope.
In your sleeves?
No.
The sleeves?
No.
In your mouth?
No.
Okay, make it reappear then.
Okay.
Is it on the ground? How did you do that? Are you going to tell me your secret?
No.
No?
Bruce, your turn.
Nothing. No, you are reveal the secret.
You think so? Let's see. Can you do it, Bruce?
Nothing with you.
Are you the magician?
Okay, he does like this. Ta-da!
Well, we'll give him a try. Are you ready, Bruce? Okay. I want the full performance.
Today, I am going to make this coin disappear.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Ta-da!
Try again. Try again.
Right, I get it.
Serena, do you want to help him?
Oh no!
Amazing!
Where is it?
It's gone. Is it in the hat?
Oh my God.
Show me. Let me see. Is it in the hat?
Nope.
Sleeves?
No.
Mouth?
Sleeves? Mouth? Let me see. Ah. On the floor?
No. In your tummy? No.
Okay, make it reappear. Is there a magic word we should say?
No.
No, it's just magic on its
you
own.
have to say spell.
What's the magic word?
Money, money.
Money, money. Okay.
Money, money, home.
Oh,
It's found. Bravo.
well done. Well done.